In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLASHFORGE 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M is an advanced 3D printer designed for efficient, high-quality printing. Featuring one-click automatic bed leveling, it ensures consistent adhesion and flawless first layers without manual adjustments. Equipped with a Core XY structure, the Adventure 5M delivers ultra-fast printing speeds of 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm² acceleration, ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. It offers a variety of features for enhanced user experience, including quick nozzle changes in just 3 seconds, dual-sided PEI platforms for easy print removal, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder for compatibility with multiple materials like PLA, ABS, and TPU. The printer also supports remote monitoring via the FlashMaker app, allowing users to track print progress, adjust settings, and receive notifications, making it a smart, efficient choice for creators and professionals alike. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 2 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed to deliver faster, more precise prints. With a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second and a recommended speed of 150 mm per second, it offers over 65% faster print times compared to other models. Its upgraded integrated extruder and 60W hot end work together with a 7,000 RPM cooling fan to quickly melt and cool filaments, ensuring smooth, high-quality prints. The printer incorporates advanced features like Marlin Firmware's linear propulsion and input shaping functions, which minimize spillage and resonance for improved stability and clarity in model details. The LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system makes setup easy, compensating for Z-axis offsets and allowing even beginners to produce excellent results. Additionally, it includes reliable customer service with a 1-year warranty, offering technical support and coverage for parts like the print head and heated bed. Number 3. XMaker 3D Printer. The AOC 3D printer is a compact, user-friendly device designed for beginners, especially children, to explore their creativity. With its easy setup and intuitive software, it offers a seamless experience for printing models directly from a 15-app library that includes LEGO-style designs. The printer supports wireless, one-key printing and features versatile connectivity options such as SD, USB ports. Its enclosed design ensures safety by isolating fumes while delivering high-quality prints with a precision of up to 0.10.05 mm. The 3.5-inch color touch screen, flexible magnetic build plate, and power-off resume function further enhance the user experience. Operating quietly at under 50 dB, it's ideal for use in home or classroom environments, making it a great choice for beginners and young creators. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5S Pro is a high-performance 3D resin printer designed for precision and efficiency. It features an ultra-high 14K resolution with a 10.1-inch mono LCD screen, delivering exceptional printing detail at an XY resolution of 16.8 by 24.8 micrometers, ensuring sharp edges and fine details. With a print speed of up to 105 mm per hour, it leveraged a third-generation ACF film for improved lifting speed and high success rates. The printer also offers a user-friendly experience with its leveling-free technology, which uses floating platform sensors to automatically adjust and maintain uniform prints. Additionally, its preheating function ensures optimal resin temperature in low environments, while an integrated activated carbon odor absorption system improves the printing atmosphere. Enhanced with intelligent residue detection and real-time peeling height adjustments, the Photon Mono M5S Pro enhances both print quality and success rates. Number 5. Longer LK5 Pro. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer combines high precision, advanced features, and ease of use for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its stable triangular structure and reinforced inclined rods minimize resonance, ensuring accurate and durable prints. With a large build volume of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches, it accommodates various 3D printing materials, while its 180 mm per second printing speed and 0.1 mm precision guarantee fast, high-quality results. The printer is equipped with filament depletion detection and auto-resume printing, ensuring uninterrupted projects even during power loss. Additionally, the upgraded configuration, including a silicon carbide glass platform and dual cooling fans, optimizes print adhesion and quality. The ultra-quiet TMC2209 driver and open-source firmware allow for customization, and with 90% pre-assembly, the LK5 Pro is ideal for both beginners and experienced users, supported by 24-hour professional customer service.